Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to a repeater. First, find the best spot for your device, usually about halfway between your main router and any Wi-Fi dead zones. Once you've found the perfect spot, plug in the repeater and wait for its power light to become steady. Then, grab your computer or phone and connect to the repeater's temporary Wi-Fi network. Next, open a web browser on your connected device. You'll need to type in the repeater's default IP address, which is commonly 192.168.0.254 or 192.168.1.254. Once the login page appears, enter the default username and password, typically admin for both. From there, simply follow the on-screen setup wizard to begin selecting your main Wi-Fi network. Now, the setup wizard will ask for your main Wi-Fi network's password. Make sure to enter it correctly. You can then choose to give your extended network a new name, or simply keep the same name as your existing Wi-Fi. After making your selection, save your settings. The repeater will then restart to apply all the changes you've just made. Finally, disconnect your device from the repeater's temporary setup network. Reconnect to your newly extended Wi-Fi network, which should now have a stronger signal. Test the internet connection in those areas where you previously experienced weak or no signal at all. If everything works, you're all set. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home tech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.